Former Negros Occidental Governor Alfred Marañon Jr. has passed away. He would have turned 85 in December. Negrenses mourn the loss of the former governor. Marañon has been their mayor, vice mayor, and councilor in Sagay City. He has also been their three-term congressman in the province. The provincial government paid tribute to Marañon at rites held in front of the capital in Bacolod City. Governor Bong Lacson said Marañon was among the keenest political minds of the province. Lacson stressed he considers it a privilege to have worked with him for 6 years as vice governor, and he learned a lot from him. Marañon has two Politiko sons, Sagay City Mayor Alfred Marañon III and Councilor Arthur Marañon.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.